Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an elegant natural glow look, and I didn't really want to use too much makeup. I wanted to make it natural and not really like pack on the makeup. So if you want to recreate this look, keep on watching. First, I'm going to be applying my foundation and blending it out with my beauty blender. This foundation is probably my most favorite foundation I've used so far. It feels light and natural on my skin. This foundation is a bit pricey, but I really do believe it's worth the value when it gives me a nice glow and flawless look that I love. Next, I'll be applying my eyeshadow primer to help keep my eyeshadow in place. I apply concealer to places I want to brighten and blend that out. I apply setting powder to places that I have applied concealer. I also set my eyes to make blending shadows easier. I apply and build up Lazarus to the crease of my eyes. Then I apply Sappheiros to darken up my crease and to deepen the outer parts of my eye. I start applying concealer to cut my crease and brighten the inner corners of my eyes. Then I set my concealer with 𝕬𝕬𝕤𝕤. I go back with Sappheiros to blend the shadows together harmoniously. Then I apply shacks to the outer parts of my eyes and under my eyes to darken the look. I apply black liner to my waterline to intensify the look. I start filling in my brows for a more defined look. I apply mascara to my lashes to give more volume, and ease to when I apply my false lashes. Then I lightly apply bronzer to contour and define parts of my face. Then I apply blush to the apples of my cheeks. I add highlighter to parts of my face that I want to stand out and glow. I draw a thin line on my eyes so that when I apply my falsies, the lash band blends in. Then I carefully apply my lashes to my eyes. I apply lip liner on my lips so when I apply lipstick, it doesn't bleed. Then I apply lipstick to my lips. Here's the final look. I wanted to create an elegant makeup look, keep the eyes bold but the face more glowy, light, and natural. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.